Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for always coming to watch what we have posted so that you also benefit from it. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe so that you benefit from what we will post later. Today, we want to teach you how to solve the problem of anxiety. Many people have the problem of anxiety. Even when they go to the exam hall, what happens is that the moment they see the question, you see that they'll be fumbling and they will not be able to write. Meanwhile, they know the answers to the questions. And for some other people, when they see crowd or when they are to talk to a crowd, you see that they'll be shaking. For other people, when they even meet people in their own offices, they'll be shaking. So this remedy is for you. Even if you are not having any of these problems, taking cabbage juice is very good because what happens is that it heals your gut. So diseases that are related to the gut, such as arthritis and headaches, depression, and all those stuffs, they are all healed by the cabbage juice. So please kindly make sure that you also use the cabbage juice. All that you are supposed to do is that you get 2 big cabbages and then you get some charcoal, you get some water. You put the charcoal in the water and then you also put the cabbage in the water. So after some time, say 3 minutes, you use the water that contains the charcoal to wash the cabbage very well. Please make sure you wash the cabbage very well because some of the cabbages are sprayed with some chemicals. So make sure you wash it very well in the water that contains the charcoal. So after washing, you remove the cabbage only. Please don't add the charcoal. You just blend only the cabbage. So you put the cabbage in a blender and you blend it very nicely. You add some water and then you just keep it in the fridge. So every morning you fetch about 1 cup and then you heat it small. You can add some small water, then you heat it. So after making it warm, then you drink on empty stomach. You do this for a week or 2, or say 3 weeks, 4 weeks, depending on the severity of your anxiety. And then within a short time, you see that you say bye-bye to anxiety. Thank you very much for watching. For those people who have problem with headaches, you can also try this same remedy. For those people with ulcer, this remedy is also good for you. And other people who are also always feeling that they are not well, but meanwhile they are not sick. Some people, they are just like that. They are always feeling unwell, meanwhile they are not sick with a particular disease. All these people, this remedy is good for you. So kindly make use of it. Please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly do so now. Thank you very much and God bless you, and then treat all problems that is worrying you for you. Bye. See you in our next video. Please kindly remember to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and then the notification button. Thank you very much.